I don't know. I suppose it's very early days. It's only 2 months since we launched, and we took a decision, I suppose, very quickly after we launched to focus our efforts on the Carlow Kilkenny by-election. It was kind of it was a difficult decision whether you'd run somebody or not, and we decided to go for it. And the result there, I think we can be very much emboldened by. Patrick McKee, who's our first ever candidate in our first ever election, entered the field, I think, 4 days after our party was formally registered, and he achieved nearly 10% of the vote. So I think that's a great result. It's really early days. I think there's a huge openness to Renua. Obviously people need to become more familiar with what we're about and what our purpose is, but there's definitely an interest and an openness to it, and it's for us to build on that now, so